Fluid and electrolyte balance is very important for our health. About 60% of our body is made up of water, and this water is distributed between intracellular fluid inside of our cells and extracellular fluid, which is outside of our cells. Extracellular fluid makes up blood plasma, which is the liquid part of our blood, and interstitial fluid, which is the fluid around our cells. Interstitial fluid is important in transporting nutrients to our cells and carrying waste products away. It also is a communication area between our blood and cells. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, calcium, and magnesium are minerals that have an electrical charge. They're dissolved in our body's fluids and are important for physiological functions. Sodium, which is mainly found in extracellular fluid, is important for maintaining fluid balance, nerve signal transmission, and muscle function. It regulates blood pressure and plays an important role in homeostasis. Potassium is mainly found inside of our cells, and it's important for normal cell function that includes nerve transmission, muscle contraction, and our heart function. The balance between sodium and potassium is maintained by the sodium-potassium pump, which plays an important role in nerve impulse generation and muscle contractions. Our kidneys function as our body's natural filtration system. They regulate the balance of electrolytes and water, and they do this by filtration, reabsorption, and secretions. Our kidneys control the concentration of these electrolytes in our body so that our body stays within a range. And this range is influenced by factors like hormones, hormones that manage sodium and potassium levels, hormones which influence water balance. Calcium and magnesium, they're not really talked about, but they play very important roles. Calcium is an important part of our bone health, but it's also very important for vascular contraction, muscle contraction, nerve transmission, intracellular signaling. Magnesium is important for enzyme reactions. It's important to make proteins in our body, muscles, nerve function, blood glucose levels, blood pressure regulation. Finally, acid-base balance is important in our body, and this is done by our respiratory system, which lets out carbon dioxide, and our renal system, which controls reabsorption and creation of other components to maintain the pH of our blood and other bodily fluids. This is important so that enzymes in our body can function properly. Symptoms of electrolyte imbalances can range from mild, like muscle cramps or weakness, to severe. It can lead to seizures. So that's why it's very important to maintain good fluid and electrolyte balance in our body.